Do you want a simple 1-minute binary trading strategy that works even for beginners without using complicated indicators? Then this video is specially made for you. Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, where we focus on simple logic, clean charts, and smart trading education. In today's video, I'm sharing my RSI plus support and resistance reversal strategy, specially optimized for IQ option, pocket option, Olymp trade, and all other binary trading platforms using 1-minute candles with 1-minute expiry. This strategy is perfect for traders who want to trade with clear rules, low confusion, and high probability setups in sideways markets. In this video, I will show you exact indicator settings, how to draw perfect support and resistance, when to enter, buy and sell, and real market examples step by step. So even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to understand and practice this strategy easily. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always practice on a demo account before real trading. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because the last accuracy filter I share can improve your results significantly. Now let's move to the most important part of this strategy, the trading rules. Please do not skip this section, because one small mistake in rules can turn a winning strategy into a losing one. Buy trade rules. We will take a buy trade only when all these conditions match. Price must reach a strong support level, not in the middle of the chart. RSI must go below 30, showing oversold condition. A bullish rejection candle must form at support, such as hammer, bullish pin bar, bullish engulfing candle. Enter the buy trade at the exact close of the rejection candle. Set expiry time equals 1 minute. If any one condition is missing, no trade. Sell trade rules. Again, we take a sell trade only when all conditions are satisfied. Price must reach a strong resistance level. RSI must go above 70, showing overbought condition. A bearish rejection candle must form, such as shooting star, bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing candle. Enter the sell trade at the exact candle close. Keep expiry equals 1 minute. Never guess the direction. Always wait for proper confirmation. Never enter a trade in the middle of the chart, before RSI reaches 30 or 70, without rejection candle during strong trending markets. Patience is the biggest weapon in this strategy. To help you trade this strategy without confusion, I've created a free, step-by-step checklist PDF for you. You can download it from the Telegram link in the description and keep it open while trading for better accuracy. Now I'll show you real live chart examples step by step, so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real market conditions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and now let's move to the live trading examples. Here we can see price has dropped sharply and reached a clear, strong support zone that was already respected in the past. At the same time, the RSI has moved below 30, confirming that the market is now in an oversold condition. Then we get a clear bullish rejection candle at support. The lower wick shows that sellers tried to push the market down, but buyers strongly defended the level. As per our rules, support plus RSI below 30 plus bullish rejection, all conditions are perfectly matched. So, exactly at the close of this rejection candle, a buy trade is placed with 1 minute expiry. Now watch this carefully. This is where patience beats emotions. Right after entry, the next candle starts forming, and for a moment, price moves only slightly upward. There is no panic here, because our decision was not based on impulse. It was based on market structure and confirmation. You can see how the candles begin to slow down after the strong down move. This tells us that selling pressure is losing strength, exactly what we expect after an oversold condition. Buyers slowly step back into the market. The price starts to respect the support zone, and momentum begins to shift. And here comes the result. The price continues upward and closes above our entry level before expiry. The trade finishes in profit, exactly as expected from a high probability support reversal. If you want more real examples like this, both wins and losses with full logic, make sure you subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies and turn on the notification bell. And remember, always practice these setups on a demo account first. Now let me show you this recorded trade on the chart, which I had taken earlier using the same strategy. This is a trade I took earlier, and I'm showing you the recorded chart for learning purpose. First, notice how price comes down into our marked support level and forms a small doji candle. That doji tells us sellers are getting weak and buyers are starting to react at this level. RSI is already down near the oversold area, so the market condition is exactly what we want for a possible reversal buy setup. According to our rules, we don't jump in on the first doji. We wait for a strong bullish confirmation candle from the same support. And that's exactly what happens next. A strong green candle starts pushing up from support, confirming that buyers are taking control. The problem is my timing. I clicked buy late after the bullish candle had already moved a lot. So, even though the setup was correct, the trade opened far above our ideal entry zone near the bottom, which is a big mistake in 1-minute trading. Once the buy is placed at this higher price, watch what the market does. The bullish candle continues a little more, but most of the move has already happened before our entry. That means our trade now has very little room to breathe. When the next candle opens, buyers are tired. The market has already used a lot of energy in that previous green push, and now sellers start quietly stepping back in. Instead of continuing upward, price begins to drift back down, testing the same area we used as entry. This is the danger of late entries. We are not trading the reversal from support anymore. We are trading near the end of the move, where the market is ready to pull back. So the chart is giving us a very clear message here. Even a perfect strategy cannot save a bad entry price. As the candle closes and expiry time hits, price is now below our late entry level, and this trade ends in loss. So the strategy was right, the direction was right, but the execution was wrong because the entry was too late and too high above the ideal zone. I'm showing you this loss honestly so you don't repeat the same mistake in your own practice. This is the last buy trade of today's session. Price comes down into a strong support zone, RSI is near the oversold area, and a bullish candle forms from support. As per our rules, support plus RSI plus bullish confirmation, I place the buy trade at candle close with 1-minute expiry. After entry, price starts moving slowly in our direction. Buyers are gaining control step by step, and the market is respecting the support level. For those who want to trade without manual drawing, you can enroll in my 51 powerful Auto IQ option script pack, which includes an automatic support and resistance auto draw script. The link is given in the video description. It will help make your trading easy and simple. And here is the final result. The candle closes in profit, and this buy trade is successfully won. This win came from discipline, patience, and strict rule following, not from guessing. If you learned something useful from today's real examples, like this video and subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies. Always practice on a demo account first. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. I'll see you in the next strategy video.